There are many gyoza restaurants in Shibuya we want to recommend to tourists. In this video, we'll introduce you to 3 gyoza restaurants you should check out. But before that, we'll teach you Gyoza 101. In most cases, people don't order gyoza only at any restaurants. We usually order gyoza along with some other dishes. Ramen would be a great example. It's a must item with gyoza for some people. Or you could have gyoza with some rice. Some people prefer to drink beer with gyoza as their nibbles. Enjoy gyoza with a dish of your choice. We'll now introduce you to gyoza restaurants. They have a touchscreen order where you can order your meal in your language on the screen. It's really convenient. So this is how you make gyoza sauce. Our recommended ratio for soy sauce to vinegar to chili oil is 5 to 3 to 2. If you prefer a sour flavor, add some black peppers to vinegar and mix them well. It tastes great too. Their gyoza is probably healthier than others with its thin crust and it's not as oily. I think vinegar sauce goes the best with this gyoza. Here, they also have a touchscreen order where you can order your meal in your language on the screen. It's really handy. This is soy sauce-based sauce, vinegar-based sauce, and miso-based sauce. They all taste delicious. It only takes a second off it from Shibuya Scramble Crossing, so it's really easy to access. They have both English and Chinese menus, so you don't have to worry about the language barriers. The crust has a mochi-like texture and it's really good. They also serve ramen, Japanese set meals, and everything is just great. Pan-fried gyoza is something that's commonly eaten in Japan. It's cheap and delicious, so give it a try like a local and let us know how you like it.